The first thing that you're gonna do when you get your roof from SuperATV is take it out of the box, lay it up on the machine to confirm the fitment. So now that we know that our roof is gonna fit the machine properly, we're gonna go ahead and remove the protective film. Once we've removed our protective film, you wanna locate the side that has the holes closest to the edge of the roof. This is gonna be the front. Now we're gonna grab our front bracket, and the side that has the holes that are cut downward like this is where our hardware is gonna go through and attach to the front portion of the windshield. But first you're gonna wanna apply a piece of flat seal right below the holes. We've already done this. So we're gonna go ahead and attach our bracket to the windshield. So we're just gonna take one of our M5 Allen headed screws, a seal washer, and we're gonna make sure that the sealing portion of the washer is going up against the windshield, and then a nut. Now we're gonna grab our rear bracket and install it just like this. The cutouts are gonna go towards the back of the machine that are gonna go around the rear windshield. So then we're gonna take our sealing washer and our hardware, make sure that the bolt is coming up like this, then get a nut, and do this for the rest of the holes, and then fully tighten the hardware. Now install the bulb seal, starting here, all the way to here to the front bracket, and then right here, you're gonna wanna go ahead and notch it, and you just wanna make sure that the bulb portion of the seal is gonna be facing down towards the machine. Then just repeat the steps for the opposite side, and it's time to get this roof installed on the machine. We're gonna go through, and all the holes back here, there'll be 4 in the rear, 2 on each side, and then the 3 in the front, then the 1 hole on each side for our brackets. All of the screws on the roof will be the same, except for the 2 center holes on the back. For those, you will use an M10 screw, along with a washer and nylock nut, and you will install them like so. So now we're gonna take our brackets and install them to the roof of the machine. It's gonna orient just like this. It's gonna wrap around the cage on the bottom side, and the screw is gonna come down through the top, go through this hole, and then you're gonna take a nut and put it on the bottom. We're gonna make sure that we have our M5 hardware with the sealing washer. We're gonna make sure that the sealing washer goes down towards the roof. Then repeat the steps for the opposite side for this bracket. So the next step is going to be to drill a hole directly across from the factory hole in the cage of the machine. Once you've done that, we're going to take our flat seal and apply it all the way around the surface to where these install. So it should look just like this with the seal below it. Make sure that the curved portion is facing up towards the machine and that it's oriented like this for the passenger side. Then we're gonna lay it in place. Take our M5 Allen headed screw with the sealing washer going down against the front portion of the roof. Then we're gonna take our M5 nylock nut, install them to both sides, and then fully tighten the hardware. Then repeat the same steps for the other side. Next, we're gonna grab the center portion of our roof. We're gonna attach it just like so. Again, making sure that the bent portion is facing up and away from the machine. Then we're gonna take our M5 Allen headed screws with the sealing washers on them, push them down through, and start our nuts on the bottom side. Then we're gonna grab our H bracket and head into the machine, and we're gonna thread this center bolt onto the H bracket. So you're gonna take your H bracket and slide it right here and attach it to the center bolt, and then go through and fully tighten all the hardware. And there you have it. That's how super easy it is to install SuperATV's roof on this Polaris Ranger 1000. For more information on this roof or any of SuperATV's great products, feel free to give us a call at 855-743-3427 or check us out online at superatv.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you next time.